my channel FunX Crafts. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful Beauty and the Beast Princess Belle out of a Barbie doll. So for this you will need old Barbie doll, yellow paper, yellow fabric and mesh yellow fabric, golden glitter, paints, cardboard, silk thread. So let's get started. So as you can see यहाँ पे मैंने एक बार्बी डॉल ले लिया है which is Belle and यहाँ पे उसके मैं now I will just start making the dress. So यहाँ पे मैंने कार्डबोर्ड लिया है into a cone shape and उसको येलो चार्ट पेपर से कवर कर दिया है like this. Now doll को inside insert करना है इस तरह से. So the base of the gown is ready. Now यहाँ पे मैंने येलो mesh fabric लिया है and it's a long fabric. So now उसको measurement लेके मैंने fabric ले लिया है and then now I'll just fold it into half like this. So यहाँ half fold करने के बाद like this. Now मैं इसको इस तरह से कुछ और folds दूँगी and then I'll just start marking them with pencil. On every folds I'll mark. Now यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी line draw करूँगी because I have to sew the lines. So I'll just draw the lines over here. And so after the lines are drawn, I'll just take my normal needle and thread and start sewing the lines. Only till halfway, not full. So यहाँ पे मैं only halfway guys उसको sew करके needle and thread से lock कर लूँगी like this. So as you can see थोड़ा roughly look आ गया है and now I'll just do the same for all the lines which I've marked with pencil. So as you can see it's completed now and then I'll take the two of the ends and sew them together like I did with other parts. So it's now done. As you can see कुछ इस तरह से बन गया है. Now I'll just take one side and start sewing them again to make ruffle. So as you can see ruffle is made. Now I'll just put it on the gown base like this and now secure the thread. So as you can see the gown base is ready. Now I have to tie a knot to secure it properly. Now इसको मैं और अच्छा fit देने के लिए I'll just start sticking it with hot glue gun. So the ruffles are now stuck. So as you can see the ruffles are made. Now for the top I have taken another yellow fabric and like this I have made the markings. So I'll just stick it on the top. So as you can see the top and bottom is ready and ruffles are also made. Now I've taken two more mesh fabric and small pieces cut off it. Now I'll just start sewing the parts both the sides like this and make ruffle out of it. So दोनों ends ruffled हो चुके हैं. These are for the sleeves, the off shoulder sleeves. So I'll stick them like So as you can see, stick हो चुका है. And now for the second part also. Now यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ embellishments लिए हैं, golden embellishments, and I'll just chop it off. Like this, and now I'll just stick it in middle of the sleeves over here, and also some of the embellishments on the ruffle ends. Okay, so it's done here. Now for the earrings, I'm doing the same thing, sticking the embellishments there. So it's done now. Now for the head, I'll just start painting it with dark brown color because Belle has dark brown hair, so I'll just color the base. Okay, so after doing this, I've taken silk thread and made the hairs out of it. If you want to see the tutorial like how I make my hair strands, then you should check the mermaid video below. I'll just link that down below so you can check it out. And now I'll just start sticking the hair strands on the head like this. So Belle has brown hairs, इसलिए यहाँ पे मैं brown hairs use कर रही हूँ. These silk threads are easily available in the market and it's very easy to use for hairs. So I'll just stick the strands accordingly. Okay, so hairs are stuck. Now for the hairstyle, I just twist both the partings and secure at the back like this. So I've secured it. Now for the bun, I've taken this small cone shaped cardboard and I'll just take another strand and just do like this. So after this, I'll just insert it inside and stick, so it will become a bun for the head. Now I'll just secure it with the glue. Now I'll take another thread and just secure it properly at the end. Now उसको मैं glue से stick कर लूँगी on the head like this. So the bun is also ready. The hairstyle is complete, as you can see. Now for the gloves, I'll just take yellow color and start painting the hand till the elbow. So as you can see, the gloves are painted. Now I'm taking three strands of yellow fabric and I'll just start sticking it on the head like this for the band. So this is the band. And this is the gloves, so it's sticking on the end like this. And now I'll just take some golden glue glitter and just start sticking it on the top of the gown and some little dots on it. So as you can see, it's completed now. The look is final and this is how the Princess Belle looks like. So after this, I've taken a small tiny rose and I'm giving it in on its hand. So as you can see, the doll look is complete. This is the final look of Princess Belle. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye. Hello guys, I'm Princess Belle, and today I'm gonna give you guys a small tour of where I live. So as you can see behind me, there's my castle where I actually live. So here's a small home tour for this. If you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.